Original equipment supplier sourced product. Designed for long life. Country of origin, United States. The package height of the product is 9.5 inches. Premium aftermarket replacement parts for Ford and Lincoln vehicles, tested to provide performance and long life reliability. 2-year unlimited mileage warranty, labor included and no commercial exceptions. Top reviews from the United States. Truck part. This item came quickly, within a 24-hour period. We put it on within 5 to 10 minutes, so very easy to replace the old one. We are very happy with this purchase. Save us about $70,000 from having a mechanic install it.